RenderForest.com.
Hi everyone, this video we are going to discuss about what are the lessons learned from RPA projects. When we talk about RPA projects lessons, how the bot will be behavior in environment to environment. So suppose you are completed your bot in developer environment. So now you are planning to move your bot into the SAT or EAT or protection or go live environment. So in this state, so what are all the changes you have to make to push the environment change? The first thing you have to make sure config file. So that is very important. Configuration file. So usually in configuration file, what are all the details will be available? All the environment specific, like suppose your automation is going to do particular website capturing, then development and testing and production URLs must be available in your config file. All the dynamic values, all the dynamic delays will be captured in your config file. What else others in your config file? If you are spying an element, that element's ID or domain path will need to take up from your config file. So why we need to take ID or domain path or control specific details in those config file? See, what we were facing in our environment, so particular area of the website dynamically changing the path, dynamically changing the IDs, dynamically changing the controls. So in that case, what would be the preferred idea? You have to make sure your dynamic path, you have to make sure your ID, class, everything would be in config file. Then if you are moving one environment to another environment, suppose I will explain something. So now your development environment has some URLs to the particular website. When you are moving production, the particular website has same, but the URL has different. When you are moving production, so don't expect the same bot has to be run in that environment, no issues will happen. Surely issues will happen because when you see, suppose you are going uh, to the particular, you are capturing particular area of the website. So when you see in protection, the same screen will be appear, but the control ID may be different. Your IDs may differ. Your path or div IDs may be different. So what will happen? Bot will throw exception and bot will terminate. Bot will simply send notification mail to your ID and bot will stop the process. So in that case, we need to kept it from complications. So what else others? So the second thing, when you are moving environment or when you are moving some other protocols, you have to make sure, or else you have to be prepared for the prerequisite. What is prerequisite? Suppose you are working on the dev environment in RPA. You are capturing some details from your website. But before capturing your website, if the website has menu bar, status bar, or zoom level percentage, everything would be the prerequisite. Suppose you want Microsoft Excel, that is prerequisite. So every prerequisite has to be make sure in your other environment. If it is not the same version, you have to make sure the version. If it is not, the bot will not run. So bot will throw exception and bot will send notification and bot will simply terminate the process. The main thing you have to concentrate before moving environment is global delays. Maybe your development environment is very slow or very speed, but don't expect the same speed will happen in other environment or other machine or some other time. So we have to be make sure delays must be dynamic or global timeout delays, medium, low, high kind of delays. So it will always be worked properly wherever your bot will be deployed. So this is the main thing you have to make sure on your environment changes. What else? Other details. Suppose you are running in the particular environment. That environment has some Citrix, maybe Citrix version has to be matched with the same as your production or V8 environment. If it is differ, your bot's auto login will not work. will not work. Suppose you are working on RDP based machine. Suppose your bot is going to deploy based on RDP based deployment. How it should work? So everything will be configured and run through the control room. Control room will create the sessions. So each and every session is an instance. So it will run through your RDP machine. So you have to schedule your bot in RDP session. So these kind of things you have to make sure, and you have to ensure it would be done. Okay guys, let's see some more details in our future videos. Okay, thank you.